Okay, taking the DJI Spark drone for a flight in Jakarta. So just going up over the house now. So this will be a short flight, up to about 120 meters. We should look over the cemetery. Today's Eid-ul-Atar. Very quiet in Jakarta. So a bit of pollution. There's the mosque. That you can just see a guy there chopping up a goat. I think you might get a better view of that. There he is there, just out the front of the mosque, on the steps, chopping one up. Okay, no traffic. Good view. Pretty much no one around. Yep, streets are empty. Okay. Okay, looking, there's the big cemetery. Okay, that's it. Bit more skyline.